Hello friends, welcome to my mama's kitchen. Please watch our videos and subscribe the channel. The Burgers.
Among the popular Indian non-veg recipes, pepper chicken stands tall, with its prime attraction being the spice and heat it delivers to its fans. And I love it too. This is one of our family favorite dish which I cook quite often and serves with roti or chapati. Hello friends, welcome to Sanvi's kitchen. Today we are going to make pepper chicken. This is very simple recipe, and in this recipe we are not using any chili powder, only peppercorns. Before start cooking, I recommend marinating the chicken for at least 30 minutes. For this marination, I have taken 1 spoon of lemon juice and I added 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and mixed it well, and again I added salt as per taste. Again mix it well and make a paste. Now this paste you add into a raw chicken. Now I am mixing it well by using hands so that it can cover all sides properly. Marination adds flavor to the chicken and makes it more tender. Now let's see the required ingredients for making pepper chicken. First I have taken marinated chicken, 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 3 green chilies, half cup of desiccated coconut. I have also taken 2 small piece of ginger and 4-5 cloves of garlic, and akkha garam masala also I have taken, oil for frying and coriander leaves, and I have taken half cup of peppercorn. You can reduce the amount of peppers added if you do not want too much spice in your dish. Freshly ground pepper has lot of flavor in it. For making this pepper chicken, always grind up freshly. I am using this grinding stone. You can also grind them in a blender to speed up the process. Black pepper is the king of spices and it makes the magic with its unique aroma and taste and elevates the flavor of the chicken. Now it is done. Now I am shifting it to a glass bowl. Now let's make ginger garlic paste. I am not using instant paste. I am using a small crusher to make the ginger and garlic paste. It's very easy. See how nicely it came. Always make it at home only so that there is no preservative in it. Here the chopped onions, tomatoes, chilies and coriander leaves are ready. Now let's start the procedure. First, in a kadai I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now add the raw garam masalas. I added 2 small sticks of cinnamon and 2 cloves and small piece of star anise or chakri phool and 3-4 peppercorns. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste. Saute them for a minute. Now add 2-3 green chilies, chopped onions, fry the onions until the color changes slightly. Now it is done. Now I am adding chopped tomatoes. Saute them. Now it's cooking nicely. Now add peppercorn powder. Mix it well. Now add salt, little salt, because I earlier added it to chicken. So little amount of salt is enough. You can add as per your taste. Now mix it well and let it cook for 2-3 minutes. The pepper will blend with the onion and tomato. Now I am adding marinated chicken. Now toss well with masala. The onion, pepper, salt, ginger garlic paste, chilies. Everything will be mixed very nicely. Now it is done. Now cover the lid of the kadai and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Now let's check if it is done or not. Yes, it is done. It came out very nicely. Now I am adding chopped coriander leaves. Now switch off the flame and I am adding grated coconut for garnishing. If you don't want this, you can skip this step. Wow, it's looking very yummy and delicious. It is very simple recipe and it requires only few ingredients. You can also prepare it in a semi-gravy form also by adding some water while the chicken cooks. You can serve this with roti, chapati or rice also. So friends, I hope you all liked this video. If you really like this recipe, please like, share and comment me, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.